Welcome back, gentlemen. Today is Thursday, January 24th, 2019. Oh, wow. I haven't looked at the charts in a while, not since last night before going to bed, so this will be all a big surprise to me. Did the midnight workout with my son. We were pumping iron, lifting weights. Did a bunch of running on the treadmill. Then we went out this afternoon and played a bunch of 21 basketball. Good times, good times. All right, so I'm worn out, but let's see how these markets are doing. We're about to get a fresh batch of candles here coming in. Let's just jump into total market cap, $116 billion. Let's take a look here. The market's just been basically flatlined and sideways for, when was that? 10th of January. So, yeah, almost 2 weeks. Not much action going on right now. I'm starting to see a little bit of lift. I think these areas right here are real critical, in my opinion, for getting lift in like, for example, getting lift like that. Those areas are real good, in my opinion, for heading higher. And hopefully on the Bitcoin chart, like I had before, let's draw this out. I was hoping that we would get like basically a big massive bowl shape, coming in. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's definitely not bullish yet. Come on, give me a new candle. Give it to me. We got a minute left, guys. It doesn't get any fresher than that. Are you kidding me? Let's grab some coffee. Take a little drink. Ooh, that's full up to the top. Oh boy, what is that? Like vanilla hazelnut? Smells so good with a little bit of heavy whipping cream. Yeah, I've been staying away from that sugar, man. Sugar's nasty. Boom, new candle. Oh, and it's already turning red. All right, hot and fresh. Let's get it. All right, right now, $3,568. According to this candle here that just closed, stay out of it. Stay out of it for now. XRP, BTC, we had our sell up here. We're still going down, still trending on the down slope. Let's see. Let's check out indicators real quick. Yeah, you want to stay out of this for now. Stay out of Ripple. If you're going to do this trade, Ripple to Bitcoin, stay in Bitcoin. But we all know that, just from looking at it, Bitcoin's flat, so it's kind of safe right now. Let's move into XRP USD. Let's see. It's 31.5 cents currently. XRP is cheap, boy. It's cheap. LTC USD. Let's take a look at this one. LTC USD is trying to go bull on us. Yeah. Ooh, I like that. Real quick, LTC BTC, we already called that bullish. So let's go back to this one. Oh boy, this is looking so nice. And it is almost there too. This one here is, let me just say this. My gut tells me we're going to go higher, but I can't call it yet. I really can't on this one, LTC USD. I'm going to say let's just hold off. We need a full open and close above that 9 to call it. And there's a lot of good news here. I would like to see more increasing volume to the upside, but it's not there yet. So let's check out LTC BTC. Power move right here, looking good. Did that just happen right now? What the, guys, where's my new date? Is this my new date? January 24th. That's the 23rd. It is the 24th. Maybe we didn't get a new candle yet. Come on. Where is it? Where is it? This is interesting. Let's go back here. There. See, we got a 25th brand new candle here for the 25th. And it's still okay. Now let's move into XRP. It's going down. Okay. And that one also said that's the 25th. Okay, good. Everything's okay. Everything's cool. Yeah, there's our power move. We just got new candles just now. Oh boy, that is fresh. All right, check this out. But this one's not showing. Where's our new candle? Okay, LTC BTC for Coinbase isn't showing yet. The new candle. Yeah, it's lagging for some reason. Anyway, this power move looks good. Stay in it. ETH USD on the 1 day for Coinbase. Now this one got a new candle. That's interesting. But this one didn't. Weird. Okay. Come on, Coinbase. Pull it together. This one is still a sell. Stay out of it. ZRX USD. It's battling. Oh boy. Oh, we did get a full open and close. Nice volume. Everything looks good. Money flows leaving the building. I'm gonna say I like it. Let's do it right here. Boom. Okay, let's go green on ZRX. We're gonna call it right here. Things are changing to the upside. Ooh, I like this. Now, set your stops if you buy in. Set your stops lower. I do think that you should be able to buy it back as a retest of the 9. So just keep that in mind. But always set your stops in case it dumps further. Preserve that capital. BAT, basic attention token on the USDC for 1 day Coinbase. It's trying to go bull also. It's following little brother here. Actually, looks like ZRX is actually big brother. I didn't know that. Okay, so yeah, basic attention token is trying to go bull. It's not there yet. ZEC USDC on the 1 day for Coinbase. It's trying. Not as bold as ZRX though. It's almost there. Dash. Dash is not a full-blown buy yet. It's trying, it's struggling, but it has to, like I said, live and breathe above the 9. We're missing volume. Other things are looking good as far as placement on Bollinger Bands and whatnot, but this market could just keep trading sideways for another week. Digibyte, stay out of it. Digibyte USDT is at 9.5 cents, so stay out of it. Tron TRX, okay. I was expecting a 1, 2, 3. I thought this one would go red on us, but this is kind of a bullish move right here. I like that 1, 2, 3 candles that all look the same. Stay in it, man. Tron is just motoring. It's powering through. No signs of weakness as of yet, but yeah, hold on to your Tron. TRX USD Tron is at 2.07 cents. 2.7. So yeah, it's doing okay. It's doing all right. Let's move on to Theta. Oh, Tron USD. That should be a buy. Yes, it is a buy. How come it's red? What is going on here? Okay, guys. I don't know how long that's been going on, so hopefully hasn't been going on too long. But Tron USD has been a buy since back here. It almost was a sell there, but we stayed in it. Okay, Theta BTC. Okay, so Theta on the 1 day for Binance with Bitcoin. This is interesting one, and I'm really liking this. The power move of this coin right now is pretty amazing. It stayed pretty high yesterday. We had that wick. So I'm curious what today is going to bring us. I've got a smattering of sells throughout. So I'm trying to just scalp and then get a buyback when it retests that 9. Doing really good so far in Theta. And want to keep the trend rolling. This is interesting because if we get a breakdown, you know exactly where it's going. Let me pull this over. Right? You know where it's going to go. Okay? I hope that makes sense for you guys. And if you've been following along, you know exactly how I feel about this one right now. Now, eventually, at some point, the trend will break and change. So I'm playing the low as if it's the 9 currently. But you know, it could sell off. It's selling off right here in front of us now. That's interesting. We'll see. We'll see where it takes us. But right now, theta is a buy. Hold on to it. If you got a scalping opportunity, or if you've layered your cells in like I have, and you're excited about some of those cells triggering and then getting in lower and making a little bit of theta, that's cool too. But theta is still on the buy side. Proppy, PRO. Okay, is this the 25th? No, that's the 24th candle. Where's our 25th candle? Okay, so let's see here. What are we gonna do? That's no good. This is no good. You know, I hate to see this. So it's almost like a flush trade. I'm out of here. I'm gonna probably sell it on a bounce. So we'll just get out of this thing. It's so low already. I mean this was our low, and you can see how close we are to it. It's one of those things where you could say, well, maybe I'll just hang on to it and see, but maybe catch a sell. I circled this because I thought, yeah, that's probably the top right there, unfortunately, because this proppy token right now has been acting so weak, just so weak. So anyway, if you do sell right here, we're going to turn proppy into a sell. We're out of here. We can't take it anymore. If you do sell, put a stop buy in wherever you're comfortable. Don't forget that stop buy if you like the token. Some FA about proppy is that the whole website is going to be revamped. So I liked it before. I didn't have any problems with it, but they're actually going to be kicking it up a notch, and I think it's going to, you know, these guys do really good things. They're very forward thinking, and I'm really excited to see what the new rollout looks like. Proppy to me is, although this coin is so super cheap right now, I'm excited for this company in the future because it already has a working product and has a great working model that's global. And pretty much that is exactly what we need with this new tech. Blockchain is global. It's everywhere. Real estate is everywhere. They should be working together just beautifully. So yeah, I'm excited about that. Proppy is a sell. Populous, let's jump into that one. Oh, Populous has been a sell for a while. It tried to go bull. What was that? Yesterday, today. It's still showing weakness. It just can't seem to get higher. So keep it as a sell. Don't buy it yet. OMG. OMG has... Is this it? Is this it? Oh, boy. I was really hoping we could just dump it. But we're going to stay in OMG a little bit. It straddled the line. Hopefully that was our low. We're getting a little bit of green already. So hopefully we can run higher. But make sure you set your stops. Ambrosis. That's a sell. Stay out of it. Humanique, still green. Hang on to it, fellas. Hang on to it. Okay, Humanique. Let me think here. I had a scalping opportunity. Okay, I think we got out, 288, something like that. I think that's when I got out, 288. I might still have the data on here. No. Oh, there it is. 290. That's where I sold it, 290. And then I got back in lower, down at the bottom, which was really sweet. Let's pull this up here. Got back in lower, riding it back up. Man, this has just been a sweet ride for me. This is awesome, right? We'll see where it goes. I mean, if it starts to dump, we'll dump it, and it's okay. But right now we're trading with the trend. Everything's looking good. Stay in it. Humanique is looking good. ADA, BTC. All right. Yesterday we had a full open and close below the line. I'm sorry, Cardano fans. It's over. I can't stomach it anymore. This thing is, yeah, this is 24th. That's today. Okay, we're out of here. Dumping it. ADA is gone. Boom. Okay. Just listen. I know it's like, oh, I just bought it. I didn't make any money. That's okay. Get out. Dump it. If it's not performing, cut your losses, man. Get out. You know, this thing is a non-performer. I mean, I don't. You know, you got to think about trading as a business. This is not. You don't hang on to failing assets. You cut your losses quickly, and don't look back. And if it takes a while for this thing to go bull, or if it turns right around to go bull again, don't sweat it. Just buy back in. If it says bull, then ride the bull train. You know, you don't want to, you know, just look, you probably are like, I just got in it. Well, look at this trade, right? We got in and rode it all the way up with 2 scalping opportunities. Don't tell me you're not making money. Like, this is sweet, okay? And then you got out, and then you know, look at this. It finally went bull, and then we're like, get in, and now it's just a little bit lower, and we're out. So what? We took a little bit of a loss. Either one of these scalping opportunities would have more than made up for that little bit of a loss there. You're looking good. You're looking good if you're trading Cardano. And don't be upset. It's a law of averages. You don't win every trade. I don't win every trade. There are times when it trades sideways and we get just little movements in the market without big, strong bull runs. And those switching times are either break even or slight losses. That's why we've got our stop sells in. That's why you have your stop sells in. And don't be upset about, you know, having to change with the change of the market. Just roll with it, baby. Just roll with it. So anyway, yeah, I would stay out of it for now. Yeah, it's not looking good. Okay, check this out. ADA, sell, MPX, Pundy. Oh, okay, so here we go. Pundy, we got in here, okay. And the very next day, it was showing indecision. It went bull, bear, big bull. Now it's coming back for a retest. I believe a retest of the 50-day moving average. That's the big one right there. See that big red line? There's our 50-day moving average. It blew above it. Now it needs to come back down and retest it. If you're not in Pundy, that might be your buy area right there, right? It could be. It could be. So Pundy is still bull, looking good, testing that Kumo cloud. However, I need to go higher up here. Otherwise, I'm going to have to circle this bad boy as a top, and then we're out. So just keep that in mind. This is a fresh candle. Hot and fresh. We'll see what it does. Stay in it. Neo, BTC. Okay. Oh, yeah, Neo, we didn't have any data on it. This is our newer one. Still straddling the lines. This is the one we're working on here. Another straddle, more indecision. I'm calling it don't buy it yet kind of scenario until we figure out what's happening. In fact, I could tell you that this was probably your time to say we're out for real. So we'll see. I'm just putting that there. I didn't call this. In fact, if I do this, maybe that'll help me realize later that it's not my call. That's just something I put in later. Okay, so yeah, Neo, stay out of it. XTZ, Tezos. What do we got here? Tezos is trying real desperately to show strength, but it is just not doing it. Stay out of it. Absolutely stay out of it for now. Everything is there to go crazy high, but this flat line and inability to run higher is really pathetic. QLC chain. We were out up here. It's been coming down. Tried to fake us out. We stayed out, and we're staying out of it. So stay out of it. Aeon. Okay. How you doing over here? Okay. Aeon is looking okay. Actually, for the indicators I have in front of me, this thing should be just jamming, but it's just weak. So we're gonna stay in it for now. Doge, hopefully it'll perform later. Doge is still a sell. Yeah, it's just been down and sideways. It's not very interesting. Bitcoin Cash SV, stay out of it. Bitcoin Cash USD, stay out of it. EOS, ooh, that's a stay out of it for now. Stellar Lumens, stay out of it. Yep, and Pay 10x, doing a little revisit here. Stay out of it. Yeah, you don't want this. You don't want this now. This is real bad. Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks, guys, for joining me. Remember, if you got a coin that you'd like me to go over, just post it in the comments below. Leaving you here with Bitcoin. It's this one's still holding. Stay out of it. All right, talk to y'all soon. See you tomorrow. God bless you guys. I'm out.